In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. In discourse analysis, I discussed the topic 7 standards of textuality. Today, I'm going to teach you the last standard of textuality, and that is situationality. Listeners and audience, the rest of the two, cohesion and coherence, I discussed these two topics in too much detail. So, if you want to listen it again, I have given the description. I have given the link of these two topics in description, and you may listen to it again. So, let's come to situationality. What is meant by situationality? And 7 standards of textuality. Listeners and audience, situationality means whenever a producer, an author, or a writer, he creates a text or write a text, the his text must be according to the situation. Because situation helps the readers to understand and get the meaning of the text easily without any confusion. So, his focus would be according to the situation and circumstances and time. And listeners and ideas, this concept will clear when I provide one example. For example, you were assigned a task that you will present a speech on the occasion of a convocation address or on the occasion of convocation at a university. So now, what is consider yourself is a producer or is an author? You will present the speech according to the situation. Why? Because the students, they are leaving the university and they are receiving their diplomas and degrees. So you will look at that situation and present the speech. For example, at the beginning of the speech, you will greeting them, you will congratulate them, and you will appreciate them as well. And also, you will provide some suggestions to them that what they have to do in future. So it means you are presenting your speech according to the situation. On the contrary of that, if you are presenting a speech that is not according to the situation and the topic which has been assigned to you, like you are talking about the death of someone, you are talking about the pathetic news of someone, so definitely you are going against of situationality. So same is the case of the example of the author or the producer of a text, that he will work according to the situation. As I told you that situationality or situation and circumstances helps